Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to add emojis to your WhatsApp status on your Android device. Adding emojis to your status can make it more expressive and fun, so let's dive in. The first step is to open WhatsApp and go to the Status tab. From there, tap on My Status to create a new status. You can either capture a new picture or video using your device's camera, or you can choose an existing media file from your gallery. Once you've selected your media, tap on the sticky note icon to access the editing tools. From there, tap on the emoji icon to view the available emojis. Now, select the emoji you want to add to your status. Once you've selected it, the emoji will appear on your screen. You can move it around by touching and sliding it to the desired position. You can also resize it and rotate it as needed. If you want to add multiple emojis to your status, simply tap on the emoji icon again and repeat the process. You can add as many emojis as you like to your status. And that's it. Once you're happy with your status, tap on the send icon to post it. Your status will now be visible to your contacts with the added emojis. It's worth noting that you can also add text to your status, in addition to emojis. To do so, simply tap on the AA icon in the editing tools and type in your message. You can customize the font, color, and size of your text as well. Adding emojis to your WhatsApp status is a quick and easy way to make it more expressive and fun. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.